In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a job on Indeed. This is such an important skill, whether you're a small business owner, a hiring manager, or just someone involved in the recruitment process. Finding the right talent can be daunting, but Indeed makes it easier to reach a wide audience. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into the steps. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Indeed homepage. It's really straightforward. Just type Indeed into your browser, and the first result should take you there. Once you're on the site, look for the Employers Post Job button. It's usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. When you click on that button, you'll be prompted to either log in or create an account. If you're a first-timer on Indeed, you'll need to click the Sign Up option. Follow the prompts to set up your account. You'll need to provide some basic information, like your name, a password, and perhaps a few contact details, depending on their requirements. After successfully creating your account or logging in, you'll land on the job posting page. This is where the fun begins. Here, you'll see various fields that you will need to fill out to create your job listing. Start with the job title. Make sure it's clear and accurately describes the position. This is crucial because potential candidates will be searching for specific roles. Next, you're going to need to add details about the job. There are several fields here: the location, job type, and a brief description. For the location, you can either enter a specific city or indicate if it's a remote role. Keep in mind, remote jobs are quite popular these days, and many candidates might prefer that option. Moving on to the job type, you can specify whether the position is full-time, part-time, contract, or temporary. Make sure to choose the option that best reflects the nature of the job, as this will help attract the right candidates. Now let's talk about the job description. This is your chance to give potential candidates a real taste of what the role entails, the qualifications you're looking for, and the responsibilities they'll have. Be as specific as possible. Candidates appreciate knowing what they're signing up for. You can include key skills required, day-to-day tasks, and any education or experience necessary. It's beneficial to keep the language clear and inviting. Once you've filled out the description, you'll want to think about how you'd like to receive applications. Indeed allows you to either accept applications directly through their platform or redirect candidates to your company's website. If you're a smaller business without a career portal, sticking with Indeed's application process can simplify things for you. As you scroll down the page, make sure to check the additional questions. This is a neat feature that can help you screen candidates from the get-go. You might want to ask about their availability, relevant experience, or even if they possess specific certifications. After filling everything out, it's time to review your job listing. Take a moment to double-check for any typos or missing information. Be aware that a clean, professional post will reflect positively on your company. Finally, when you're satisfied with your listing, click the Submit button. Indeed might take a little time to review your submission, and once your job is posted, you'll receive confirmation via email. This is a great moment because now you can start attracting applicants. Remember to regularly check your Indeed dashboard for applications. You can communicate with applicants, look over resumes, and schedule interviews all from one convenient location. And that's it. You've successfully posted a job on Indeed. I hope this video has made the process clearer for you. If you found my tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.